दिस इज तनिषा श्रीवास्तव और आज हम इस वीडियो में 2 मिनट के अंदर मैगी बनाएंगे। नहीं।
So first I'm using a waste paper to make just one rough origami craft like this one, which is also my tip number 1. इसके blank part को I'm considering the colored side of the marble paper and the text part को I'm considering the white side. अब ये rough पहले बनाना क्यों ज़रूरी है तो that you will come to know in the video later. Now here I am simply folding it in half just to get a guideline which can be done outwards also or inwards also. इनफैक्ट आगे ऐसे बहुत सारे स्टेप्स हैं जिसमें दे कैन बी फोल्डेड बोथ वेज, बट द वे इट इज शोन हियर इट विल एक्चुअली मेक योर फर्दर ऑन स्टेप्स ईजियर. सो स्टेप 1, पहले ऐसा दरवाज़ा सा कुछ बना लेना है. इन स्टेप 2 घर का छत बनाना है. और अब घर का उल्टा छत बनाना है. Step 3 and the final step, simply open this up and convert this 2D looking shape into this 3D shape. Now this extra triangular piece can simply be tucked inside, or it can also be stuck with glue. Now what I would suggest is to keep the open flaps at the opposite ends. This way the flaps will not open up. Anyways, it will be stuck on a plain base, so although it's not much needed, I find this more convenient to work with. अब मैं यहाँ पे origami sheets यूज़ कर रही हूँ for a couple of reasons. First one being कि for my design I needed a lot of papers, so origami sheets were the best choice क्योंकि I don't need to cut them and they will all remain the same size. Also, luckily I had a lot of them since a long time and they weren't being used up, so यहाँ पे सारे use हो गए. And the second reason being, of course, its glossy texture. Just that because I'm using marble papers, I am not pressing the folds with my nails. Repeating the same step with all the other papers. You can arrange them into a flower too. और ये है टिप नंबर 2. वैसे ये मेरे भाई का आइडिया था. Make sure to keep this folded edge pointed inwards. Now simply we will glue them up on a piece of hard paper or cardboard and we are done. My tip being to roughly trace the design first on cardboard and then cut it slightly smaller than traced.
Now this bonus tip is very helpful for the ones who are making a different shape. मैंने हाथ से बनाया था which was actually complicated to just by imagining get the number of papers or the colors that I will actually be needing, how I will be arranging them. But this tip can help you. Now remember this that you are making. तो इसको basically I placed it on a plain background, clicked the photo and using any free background remover application, I removed the background. What I got was only this shape, this image. इस इमेज को मैंने बहुत बार डुप्लीकेट किया एंड आई डिड दैट ऑन अ थंबनेल मेकर एप्लीकेशन. यू कैन यूज एनी एप्लीकेशन दैट fulfills this need. उसको बेसिकली मैंने डुप्लीकेट किया एंड आई यूजिंग दैट आई अरेंज्ड इट इन द वे दैट आई वांटेड. That way I could, before even making it, get the number of papers I will be needing and get the colors that I will be needing. This is more sort of a desi jugaad, but it is how it is.